Hey everybody, so this is a quick tutorial on replacing the cabin air filter in a 2020 Mazda CX9. Alright, so here it goes. So I already emptied the glove compartment. On either side, you're going to see that there's a little notch that you need to push. You need to push in and pull towards you. Same thing on this side. You can see it really well. There. So let me do that. Down, and there we go, little muscle. All right, and then here there's a little clip. You can see it's a little dirty already, definitely needs changing. So you just pull that away that way and it drops. All right. All right, we just don't want to take the whole thing out. All right, so here is where it sits, and in order to take this out, you pinch this section. Let me just back up a little bit and pull this out, and just wiggle the other side, and this is where the filter is. So you just slide this out, and yikes. This is what my filter looks like, guys. Gross, gross. I mean, not terrible, but you know, it does need changing. So let's go ahead and do that. Not sure where that came out. Alright, so I just wanted to show you, this is just an off-brand that I got off of Amazon. I paid $7 for it, right? And it is compatible with the 2020 Mazda CX9. Alright, so let me just go ahead and get this unboxed and fit in the little tray that had the dirty filter. So, stay with me. Alright. And it's kind of back to front, but here it goes. Obviously, be very careful when you're taking it out of the package. You don't want to damage it. And it comes with instructions, which obviously, you know, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so basically this is the easy to install steps. It just talks about step 1 to locate your vehicle's cabin air filter. Obviously they're telling you to refer to your owner's manual if you don't know where to find it or how to get it done. Then they're showing you step 2 to remove the old cabin filter, how to do so, and then to install the new one. So obviously we're just going to do this in reverse. So this is the new one, obviously very clean. All right, and it does show you which way the arrow has to point up. All right, so there's that. This one doesn't have anything, but either way. All right, so here we go. And just fit it in. Very easy, nothing too crazy. Just kind of push this to fit. There are 2 little clips here. You just kind of push down a little bit so it fits snug inside, and it should look like this, where the 4 clips, the 2 on the bottom and the 2 on the top, are actually sitting on top, so it locks it into place. And then obviously you follow the directions. It shows you, if you can see it properly, a little light, it shows you the arrow going up. So this is how it should sit back inside the. All right. Okay, so just like this. It's sitting in the correct position. So now we're gonna slowly, if you can see, put this back, slide it in, just basically, that's all you do. Slide that back in. It's not something that locks in place, but if you push and there's no more give, then you know it's fit where it needs to be. All right, and then we have the cover to close it. This also shows, if you can see it a little bit, maybe in the light, the arrow showing up, so it obviously shows you the direction that this needs to go to be refit in the correct way. So we're gonna just sit it properly in and slide it into the groove on the left side, and then on the right side, just move my hand so you can see, and that's it, and you click it in place. Right now we're going to, definitely needs cleaning. All right, so we're gonna hook this piece back in the position it was. Sorry for the, all right, so this can pull, as you can see. It has a little give on the inside, so you don't need to stress too much about it. You fit it in and you just give it a little push. You're gonna hear that click. You know that it's secure and in place. And then the sections that, or you pinch and pull out, it just locks back in place. That's it, guys. And that is all there is to it. And the dealerships charge you $50, $60, $70 to do that. You can buy your own cabin air filter through Walmart, through Amazon, any local auto shops in your area, and get this done for less than $10. So I hope I was able to save you some money today. Thanks for watching. Bye.